pathology. But when we looked at the truncal pathology, we found a correlation. When you look at the average person, interestingly, even though we're right-handed and left-handed dominant, you would think that if you held a one-handed plank on one hand and one on the other, the dominant would be maybe a little bit better. And we found that there was no difference in the uninjured population. But when we looked at the athletes who had trunk injuries, and we did this prospectively, so we gathered all the data, we looked at it, and we had almost 500 kids that we tested at the beginning of a season. We followed them over 6 months, and those that were injured, we had 494 kids that we tested. We had about 18 trunk injuries during that 6-month period of time. And during that period of time, what we found is the kids that were hurt, not only were they significantly less as far as where their sway velocity was or poorer than the uninjured kids, but they also had asymmetry side to side. So we saw distinct differences in the ability for someone to keep that strong plank position using the Sparta device to really look at that application, look at sway velocity.